Hello and welcome to Scalp TV. Do you think you know everything about the most popular scalping strategy? I bet no. That's why in this video I will share with you the core aspects of breakout strategy for making your trading profitable and effective. I'm really interested what strategy do you treat as most profitable and easy in understanding? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. Do not forget to visit the Discord server where Cscalp accumulates all the necessary resources for your progress. Also pay attention to the free Cscalp trading course. The link you will find under this video. What is the breakout strategy? It's a scalping strategy where we work out the most popular market inefficiency, breakout of strong levels. Such movements you can notice at any instrument and on any time frame. It always works out well if you have a good sense of order book and market stage. Why we should master this strategy? First of all, good risk-reward ratio. When we trade a breakout, we always have a relatively low risk or short stop loss against a profit exceeding the risk 3-5 times. That's extremely important in any trading strategy. Easy of understanding. Trading is emotional craft. The more complicated strategy is, the more chances to make very expensive mistake under the emotional pressure. Widespread of strategy. It works good even more because most traders in scalping prefer this strategy. The more people trade, the better it works. And finally, if you are good at breakout scalping, you are really strong in order book reading. Other strategies will be easy for you to master. Now let's talk about the core rules of breakout setup selection. First, graphical pattern. There should be very strong level on the time frame no less than 5 minutes, as the potential of 1 minute time frame breakouts are very low and it doesn't worth it. No less than 2 accurate touches to the level. This is a good example of a really good graphical pattern of the breakout. We have several touches and we also should check both futures and spot. Clear touches to the level, price respects the level on futures graph and the same on the spot graph. It's extremely important because if there is a false breakout on spot, there will be less chance for good breakout on futures. We have very clear touches both on spot and futures. That's okay. Second, volume. We should be sure that there is enough capital in the instrument to provide good impulse. No capital, no impulse. We watch the volumes. They should increase. We watch lazy scalp board indicator or trading view. We already published the video about this indicator. We should find it here, lazy scalp, and choose the first one, lazy scalp board. We pay attention to the daily volume. Daily volumes should be more than 200 millions for short movement and more than 300 millions for long movement. In this case, as far as we are waiting for the next touch and open short position, that's enough for short movement. The more volatile the instrument is before the breakout, the stronger the breakout will be. You will never confuse good volatility with the bad one. We always watch the tape. Here you see very good volatility, fast movement of tape. And here you see very slow and bad volatility. It's quite easy to understand. That's all, it's quite simple. There are only 3 rules. If at least one of these 3 aspects is infringed, just skip the setup. Because one factor infringement decreases the probability of the profitable outcome by 30%. Act for sure and select setups strictly. Working out only the ideal setups that meet the above listed requirements will make your trading really profitable. And I would give a piece of advice for beginners who only make first steps in this craft. Use minimum deposit of $10–30. You will probably lose your first several deposits, so let's make your education cheap. No sense of trading $500 deposit unless you can grow 100 from $30. Concentrate on the statistics on your diary rather than on money you made, at least for the first time. And finally, follow the rules. Never trade hoping for the luck. Strict rules will reward you in future, making good prevalence of your profit. Now let's move to practical examples. On this video, I will show you the right and simple sequence of actions. This instrument, USDT, has a good volatility as you see. Very clear formation and extra high volumes. Requirements are met. Another important aspect, we set up working volume here in advance, placing pending orders on the level where we expect the breakout. We can open the trade by the market or placing pending order. Very important, set take profit or several limit orders for fixation in advance on the closest aims on the way of breakout, or be ready to fix by the market during the breakout. I usually prefer fixing by small parts during the breakout, right by the market. The breakout is in process and I am keep fixing, as you see, by the market by 22,000 contracts, almost 2%. When I see that the breakout is getting weaker, the speed of breakout is decreasing, I fix the last part of my position. That's how it works. 90% of success is hidden in the selection of the setup. Please select your setups very strictly. Wish you good luck. Do not forget to subscribe for the channel to stay tuned.